Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix OBS Studio no audio issue. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, by default, we have the audio mixer right here. Alright, so make sure that the audio mixer is not muted under desktop audio as well as the mic aux. Okay, so enable both of these, and then under this drop down, you can click on it, and then you can go ahead and click on properties. Now make sure the device selected in here is correct. Let's say you have speakers and headphones. Now you're playing a game. All right. Now in your game, the ones that is selected is your headphones. Now, where would you expect the game's audio to be transferred? Of course, from the headphones as well. Now, you wanted to capture the headphone from your OBS Studio, and that's why your headphone should be selected in here. Might as well just save it to default so you won't have any problems. But if you do have problems setting this one to default, well, go ahead and use headphones or speakers or whatever you're currently using on the game or application. I hope that's clear. Now go ahead and click on OK once that's done. And of course, we have the slider right here. Make sure that it's on top just to try. And then after that, go ahead and check if it works. And then when you go ahead and test it out, let's say I'm going to go ahead and open up a video right here. Welcome in this video on shape. All right. As you can see, when you test it out, it should go ahead and work here as well. And when you talk, this one should work as well. How to factor to use it. All right. So if that shouldn't work, let's go ahead over to settings right here or file. Then settings, and then go ahead over to audio, desktop audio here as well. Click on drop down and select which ones you wanted to capture. All right. So again, just leave it to default if you don't want any problems. If not, again, use headphones or whatever output device you choose to use to any other apps or games. That's basically it. Now, sample rate. If 48 kilohertz doesn't work, make it to 44.1. All right. And then under output, let's say you are recording. When you go ahead and find the audio encoder, I think we have this one under our streaming as well. Yeah, audio encoder or encoder, I'm sorry. Just try AAC. Okay. For example, audio encoder right here, as you can see, we have a ton of options. Sometimes Opus doesn't work, or even PCM 32-bit. Just try to use the FFmpeg AAC. Once that's done, click on Apply, OK. Now, go ahead and try to record or stream, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is how you fix OBS Studio no audio issue. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.